Okay, I just fed everybody, so keep all the other tank mates away from the babies. There we go, not bad, not bad. These new cameras are amazing, eh? Cell phones. Quite a few there. When the babies stray too far, the mom picks them up in her mouth and puts them back near her spawning nest. Right here, what we're looking at is about 6 inches away from the spawning nest. She's letting them out to feed, I guess. Oh, she's grabbing some now. And that's the male, I believe. Males are bigger. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Keep up the good work, Mama.